Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI avatar step by step. And not just any avatar, I'm talking about an ultra-realistic AI avatar with smooth hand movements, perfect lip sync, and natural expressions. It looks so real that people might not even guess it's AI. Avatars are becoming a big thing these days. If you have a faceless YouTube channel, if you're camera shy, or just want to save time, this is the perfect solution. Just upload a simple image or a short video, give it a script, and boom, your content is ready in minutes. It's ideal for creators, educators, marketers, or anyone who wants to make videos without showing their face. It's fast, it's fun, and honestly, it's the future. Before we move forward, just take a look at these stunning and super realistic AI avatars. You won't believe they're not real people.
Hey there, I'm your AI avatar. Let's see what amazing things we can create together.
Hello, I'm your AI creator, ready to turn ideas into reality with you.
Hello everyone, I am an AI avatar created by Bitnext, and you can also create like this.
Hey, I'm your festive AI, here to add some sparkle and joy to everything we create.
Okay, so guys, let's learn how to create your own ultra-realistic AI avatar. It's actually super simple. Just scroll down to the video description and you'll find the link to the tool we're using. Click it, download it to your device, and install it like any regular software. I've already installed it on my desktop, and as you can see on the screen, here it is. Let's open it up, and this is what the interface looks like. The tool we're using is called Edamacore, and honestly, it's like a magic box for content creators. Once it's installed, you won't need any other software. You can download, record, and edit videos all in one place. Now, since the main goal of this video is to help you create your own realistic AI avatar, that's exactly what we'll focus on from here. So now, on your screen, you'll see a feature called AI Avatar. Just click on it to open the avatar creation tool. Now, if you look on the right side, you'll notice some extra cool features related to avatars. There's singing photo, talking animal, talking photo, video lip sync, and more. So this tool doesn't just let you create your own avatar, it also lets you bring any image to life. You can upload a photo and make it sing, or even choose an animal and turn it into a talking avatar. Imagine that, your cat delivering your message in a video, but since our main goal is to create our own custom avatar, we'll focus on that. So here, under the avatar section, you'll also see some pre-made avatars. If you like any of them, feel free to use one, they're ready to go.
Hi there, hope you have a nice day.
But since we want to make a personalized avatar, we'll click on the Upload button. Now you just need to import an image or a short video of your avatar. And if you don't already have an avatar image, no worries at all. You can easily generate one right here using Edamacore's built-in AI image feature. Even free users can generate up to 3 images for free, which is super helpful. Also, if you need a prompt to create a cool avatar, just check out our Telegram channel. You'll find ready-to-use prompts there, and even some sample avatar images that you can download and use directly if you like. So here, I am uploading an image of my avatar, and that's what I'm going to use to create it. You should do the same and upload a clear image of your avatar. But if you want, you can also upload a short video clip instead. Why? Because using a video gives your avatar a more natural and realistic look, with better expressions and smoother movement. So now, I'm uploading my image right here. Once it's uploaded, I'll simply click Confirm to move to the next step. Now, the tool is analyzing your uploaded image. If you used a video clip, it'll also process movements and expressions for a more realistic avatar. Just sit back and let it work its magic. Once your avatar image or video is uploaded, the next step is to select a voice. You can use your own voice by recording it directly, or uploading an audio file, the tool syncs it perfectly with your avatar's lips for a super realistic result. Or you can simply choose from the premium AI voices available inside the tool. There are plenty of options to match your tone and style. And what's more, if you find a voice that you really like, you can even clone it right here in Edamacore. That way, your avatar can keep using the same consistent voice across all your videos. For this demo, I'm choosing a random AI voice and writing a short script for the avatar to speak. Once your script, voice, and avatar are all set, simply click Generate and let the tool do the magic. All right, so now the avatar video creation process has started. The tool is generating the video, and this might take a little time depending on your file and internet speed. So just relax for a moment and let it finish up. Okay, the video is ready. Let's see how it looks.
Hello everyone, I am an AI avatar created by Bitnext, and you can also create like this.
Looks awesome, right? Now, if you want to export the final video, it's super easy. Just drag it onto the timeline below to prepare it for editing and exporting. Once your video is on the timeline, this is where the real fun begins. You get full editing freedom. You can add visuals, transitions, effects, filters, subtitles, or anything else your content needs. Customize it however you like. Once you're fully satisfied with the final look, it's time to export. Go to the export option, then choose your video resolution. Whether it's 1080p, 2K, or 4K, it's completely up to you. After that, click the export button. Your avatar video will start exporting immediately. Now, your very own avatar is ready to use. You can use it in YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other kind of content. Whether you want to stay off camera, save time, or add a professional touch, your AI avatar makes it easy. And hey, if you have a pet or any animal photo, you can also try the talking animal feature inside the tool. Just upload the image or use the "and," it'll turn it into a talking video automatically. There are even some pre-made talking animals already available in the tool. You can use them to make funny, creative videos that are perfect for sharing on social media. Your friends and followers are definitely going to love it. And honestly, that's just scratching the surface of what this tool can do. When it comes to editing, it's packed with all the cool features you'd expect. Sound effects, stickers, filters, transitions, text animations, everything you need to give your videos that professional and creative touch. You also get access to a full library of copyright-free video clips, so you never have to worry about copyright strikes or content issues. One of the most powerful things inside this tool is the AI video generator. It can create complete videos from just a text prompt or even from a single image using text-to-video and image-to-video tools. It's perfect when you want something fast, creative, and high quality. And that's not all. It also includes 400 plus AI voices in over 50 languages, along with tools for text-to-speech, speech-to-text, subtitle generation, translation, and dubbing, all just a few clicks away. The toolbox doesn't stop there. You also get advanced features like script-to-video, AI face swap, AI avatar creator, noise reducer, voice changer, background remover, and so much more. So I really recommend give this tool a try. Just download and install it on your device. The link is right there in the video description. You can try it for free, no need to pay anything up front. Use it, test the features, and if you find it helpful, only then decide if it's worth paying for. Now, just a quick heads up, some of the features in this tool are paid. But let me be honest with you, when it comes to creating quality content, sometimes you have to invest a little. That said, there's still a lot available for free that can really help you out. For example, the AI image generator, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, image face swap, basic editing tools like cutting, background change, subtitle styles, and even stock resources, including videos, images, and GIFs. So yes, if you're serious about your content, you can always explore their subscription plan too. And honestly, it can really take your content creation to the next level. My job is to bring useful tools to you, my amazing viewers, that can make your content creation easier and better. And this tool genuinely offers a ton of features, not just for avatars, but also for editing, voice work, effects, and so much more. If you're a content creator, this is definitely something you should check out. That's why I shared it with you. The rest is totally your choice, no pressure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future tutorials like this. All right then, see you in the next video. Goodbye, take care, and thanks for watching.